down, chin down. There we go. Beautiful.
Ow!
So what's wrong with your shoulder? The
Right
way?
shoulder.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
There we go. Perfect. Good. You should definitely try to make it in a tiny bit more often than once every couple months.
Yes. I have to.
I didn't know anything came out of that. So what's wrong with your shoulder? Which shoulder? The
Right
way?
shoulder.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sorry, man.
Oh, the earring's off.
Oh,
please.
okay.
Yeah. Drop a little bit. There you go. See, you gotta relax.
I can't talk right now.
Right there. Drop your shoulders. Relax. There you go. See,
Yeah.
Good. Good. Okay. Just drop your head to the right. There you go. Drop. Good. Head down a little bit. Good. There you go. Perfect. Right there.
Ow! Okay, wait. Let me, like, I feel my head doing like that. My head is like that. Okay.
You
I'm
okay?
ready. Yeah.
Yeah, this is right here. You're gonna drop your head down again. Drop down. Good. And let your ear go to your left shoulder. Now down. Chin down. There we go. Beautiful.
Ow! My God.
Let's get you on the table.
Literally, I feel like that. You're dead, and she's like, you promise you're gonna take me to Snoopy house, and now you're going to the doctor.
I know.
I'm too old now.
Okay, exactly. Go ahead and breathe in for me. And breathe out. Beautiful. Did you feel that?
Ow!
Wow, that was a lot.
Yeah.
Okay, get in, breathe in. Let the belly drop in here. Push the belly down. Good. There you go. Breathe in again. Down. Good. Perfect. Good. On your side.
The money.
Exactly. Well, they kept it for years just to do this.
Ow, like that.
I got you.
Are you gonna? Okay, I got to quiet. You're gonna have a new client coming in when I say
Exactly.
like, oh, what's going on with this stuff?
Good. There you go. On the side. Good morning. I'll see you in a minute.
No, great doctor. Great doctor, I would say. Great doctor.
Good. There we go. On your back. Okay, just relax. There we go. Perfect. Right there. Perfect. There we go. Perfect. Good. You should definitely try to make it in a tiny bit more often than once every couple months.
Yes, I have to. Please send me a reminders. Okay.
Say goodbye.